Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial video. I hope you guys are all doing amazingly well and I hope you're having a great day, and welcome to another tutorial video. As I've already said, in this video I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add an internship that you have already done or that you are actively doing on LinkedIn. So let's get right into it. LinkedIn is a very useful social media site where you can communicate with other business people as well as businesses, whether it be in searching for a job, searching for employees to employ to your company, or just in general sharing your experiences or even using it as an online resume. Now, what I am going to be showing you in this video is how to add an internship, and that falls under just creating your resume and adding experiences. So let's go right into it. The way you do this is by accessing your account, and once you do, you will have an experiences tab if you have set it up. If you haven't, go to add profile section, go to essentials and add a position, and here you can just describe your position, what you are working on, enter all this data that you can. And under employment type, you can select internship, and that will count as an internship. Once you add all of the needed information, you can just click save, and then it'll be officially added to your LinkedIn account. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. And that's it from me. See ya.